If you have money on your TikTok account and you've not withdrawn before, or you don't know how to withdraw this money, so I want you to stay and watch this video to the end. I want to teach you how you can withdraw. I have about $17.77 on my available balance, so I will demonstrate it by placing a withdrawal step by step. So we'll check our balance, then we'll go and withdraw. Is that okay? And in less than 5-10 minutes, I should receive the money on my PayPal account. Is that okay? So if you are still among those who are still doubting if TikTok is paying, or if people can really withdraw their money after their earnings, if you can really withdraw your live earning, yes, you can withdraw your live earning. This is actually the 3rd time I am withdrawing from TikTok since I started. Is that okay? So if you stay with me to the end of this video, I will teach you how you can place a withdrawal, and you will see that they will send the money to my PayPal account. So this is pure practical. We are not capping. We know they cap for you. Is that okay? So if you don't want to miss out from videos like this, please do it to click the follow button, follow us, like this video, go to the comment section, ask your question, or drop a contribution to this very video. Please share this video to at least 10 persons so that they'll get to see this very video. You might want to save it for a later use. Is that okay? So let me really teach you how you can withdraw your money from your TikTok account directly to your PayPal. So to withdraw your money from TikTok, come to your profile here, then click on this drop down menu, click on settings, then you see balance, click on balance. So once you are here, like I said before, if you've not verified your identity, you'll be asked to verify your identity. As you can see, I have verified my own identity. So the next thing is for you to click on view. Immediately you click on view, you are going to see your money in dollars. So all you need to do is click on withdraw. Now you can see my daily limit withdrawal is $100, so I'll just click on withdraw. I have already linked my payment method, which is PayPal. As you can see, my PayPal is there. But if you've not linked you are going to click on manage and you link your PayPal. So if you're here, you see my available balance. So all I need to do is click on all. So meaning I want to withdraw all. Then TikTok is going to send me amount that I'm going to receive. So instead of $17.53, they are going to pay me $17.70 because they are removing 0.36 cents as service fee. All I need to do is click on withdraw. Then it will ask you to confirm if it is in the right place. I'll click on confirm. Now, as you can see, I have placed my withdrawal and it is showing pending. It usually takes 1 working day, but in less than 30 minutes, you will see that my withdrawal will be processed. So what I'm going to do, I will pause this video. Then once it has processed, I am going to show you. As you can see, I have refreshed. You see, they've sent the money to my PayPal and I've received the money in my PayPal. So withdrawing is very easy. Get someone who have PayPal and withdraw your money. I hope you found value in this video. If you found value in this video, do it to follow me for more exciting video like this. Thank you.